Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video on the Chicken Nugget Gang Gaming channel. So basically what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a series where I show all you guys how to record or live stream on OBS Studio. So this is going to be in series and they're all going to be published at the exact same time. And at the end of each video there's going to be like these cards at the end which you can click on, and that will take you to the next episode of this. And so I'm going to do it from the start. So they're going to be only like 5 minutes long each one. So this one's going to be how to install OBS Studios. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to obsprojects.com. you don't need to have forms/resources in there. That's just for if you want to download like plugins and whatnot, but I'll go over that in a different episode. So with this, what you want to do is you want to click Windows or whatever operating system you actually have. So then it's the exact same for each browser. Okay, you just say download. Chrome will come in the bottom, Opera goes in the top corner here. So when that's done, you just want to click on it in a second. 1 minute. Okay. Alright. Here we go, download complete. Click on that. And now what you want to do is it will come up with a prompt saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Alright. You guys won't be able to see that on this thing. Okay, but it will say OBS Studio is already running on mine because I'm recording on it as well. So yeah, it won't work and let me download it, but you just follow this installer and then it should bring you to like something that looks like, 1 second, let me just real quick. Okay, 1 sec. Okay. So, and I'll also show you how to do transitions another day as well. So it should bring you onto a thing like this, and it should just say like scene, right. So it would bring you to a blank screen like that, but this would say scene 1. Okay. And then in another video I will show you how to do stream keys and get good settings. Well, try and get good settings. Okay, anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Yeah, it's greatly appreciated. And if you want to do episode 2 is going to be how to sort out your settings. So that will be on the screen right now. Just click on that if you want to go onto there, and it should be premiering on YouTube any second now. Thank you for watching.